way better up. And pretty much, we're gonna do the insides of those fenders.
Yeah.
They said they wanted them black. So they did some black.
It helps with all of this.
Think so?
Yeah. POR 15 in here with bedliner over it, which is pretty good. Yeah. Oh, very good.
A hood will probably be the last thing we put on because we still buff that out. But as far as like main parts, your doors, fenders. And I'm thinking, I doubt you'll see some of it, most of it, but just so what you can see, it'll be clear.
It's the day after Black Friday, so it's Saturday. It's Cyber Saturday? No, that's Monday. It doesn't matter. What matters is the car is right behind these doors here. And weeks and weeks, actually the entire month of November, it was like, oh yeah, we'll have it in 2 more days, 3 more days. Oh, just a couple more days, you know, we'll just rock and roll on it. It's a small car, you know, it's not gonna take a lot of time to paint. It's gonna be, you know, a day of body work. And I'm like, dude, you're spending like 4 days just on the roof, you know? It's like, it's a long process. You can't just rush these things. My point being, I'm waiting here for the car, and I am waiting to have the guy show up so that we can just put the final pieces together and get it out of here, because it went from, oh yeah, you'll have it before Thanksgiving for sure, to now it's looking like Friday I'll come in, I'll take care of some stuff. And I ask him on Friday and I get another excuse about, you know, the guys wanted the day off, I just came to work on other projects, we put stuff on hold. I don't care, I don't like excuses. It just shows that you have bad management skills, really. And we're all guilty of that. I can't be too critical of it. And I see that when they do work, they're busting their butts on it. I just don't want them to rush either. So I had a few nitpicks that I wanted them to redo. Let's put it back together and let's get it out of here, because I don't want to wait till Monday. I do not want to keep waiting and waiting and waiting. And of course, Soren's like, oh yeah, just let me know whenever you're ready and we'll come get the car. Which is nice of him. It's really kind.
So what do these things sit back here? Or?
Pretty much, we lay him down and the beetle just kind of sits up those fenders.
Here, about right here?
Yeah. Now's the time you want that bottom trim on before you put the hatch. Pry this channel open, mallet it shut. Hinges only go in one way, they won't go in 180 flipped. Yeah, alignment's tricky. Okay, so the doors, it's kind of where you start, and it looks nice, and it comes out to a good amount, and it feels real flush there, and then, of course, from there you line up your nose, and the nose feels really good here, as well as here. And it lined up well down there, down there. This has a little bit of wiggle room here. And these are both brand new, so it's not like there's no body work that's potentially damaged the alignment. But now the only issue we're having is,
I'll tell you right now, aftermarket will never fit original.
It's from the factory.
It's from the factory?
It's Volvo brand, yeah. So it's OEM supplier.
But it's re-stamped though, right?
Yeah, it's probably not the original stamp from the 60s. They're probably just, yeah, I don't know. I don't know if it's the hood or if it's something else, because you can't really, as soon as you try to push this back, it ruins the gap here. And as soon as you move the hood forward, it ruins the gap. It's almost like you gotta just bump it in, which is not something we're doing because it's new.
The only thing that's not is this one's
got it good. Got it good. Hinges are all the way up actually, and they're perfect right now. Wow, okay. This gap is good. Jump over here. That one looks nice. And it's perfect just about here. So the way we line up the hood finally after everything is, it's easier without an engine, of course, but we loosened all the bolts, and now I get to go underneath and tighten them up.
it's cozy in here. I like it. The whole spring back there moves. This piece. Let me see if that side does it too. Well, that side stays pretty solid, bro. Are these the original hinges?
Yep.
So that side's solid. Don't move. It drops right there.
I wonder if it's an adjustment issue, if it's binding in a way that it's
Hey there.
Hey. What do you think? Are we close?
Pretty close, I think. That's the closest we've been. Possible, like we did the other day.
Okay.
But you're gonna need to get that hinge for, or that
The latch?
the latch for there.
Yeah. The big mystery is why is it like this won't be flush, and it'll be flush here, but not here.
Because those brackets ain't sitting flat. Todo está, güey. Todo. And
Very exciting day today. Not only is this possibly the last time I'm driving the BMW just because I'm selling it, but we're picking up Genevieve from the body shop, which is great. It's been, wow, it's March 1st. It's almost been a year. I leave in 3 hours to go back to California, so we're really cutting it fine with this one. And let's go check out how everything looks. I inspected the hood once it was finished, and it lines up well like it should. Everything looks really great. And they brought the car inside, they washed it. We had a snow yesterday, so it was out of the weather, which is nice. and it's coming home to be with Arthur. I wasn't kidding when I said they did really good work. Look at this thing. You guys remember seeing this in other videos? Woo. Yeah, you're good.
Okay, you kids play nice now. I'll see you next month, Jen.
When I have plucked the rose, longing still for that which hunger nurses the disease. In faith, I do not love thee. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? 'Tis better to have loved and lost than never to have loved at all. Come cheer up my lads, come cheer up my lads. 'Tis better to have loved and lost.
Hey Soren, I had an idea.
What?
You could take an SE badge and put it next to the XE, so it'd be sexy.
Oh,
Sexy
that's
90s.
awesome.